Hey guys, this is Echo from DailyFulfill. There are total 3 series for 1688.com and I have already done a brief introduction and talking about the pros and cons of 1688 from last video. And today's video is teaching you how to source from 1688 to find the best suppliers and quality products. So please don't miss out by subscribing to our channel. And 1688 is written in Chinese and it's actually difficult to navigate, but it brings you big advantage over the competition. You might be thinking that it is not user-friendly for people who don't speak English. It is okay that I'm going to show you how to do it. Regardless of that, to find the products and vet the suppliers. Here are some steps to source from this website. First one is I will tell you how to translate the website into English. But first I'm assuming you have Google Chrome browser. And second, I'm going to show you how to find your products and source from the 1688. There are several ways to find the products. Third one is to show you how to evaluate the 1688 listing and find direct manufacturers or factories. And the last one is how to contact the supplier. Yes, true. You can also contact the supplier even you don't know Chinese a bit. I'll show you how to make it possible, and you can also negotiate with the supplier on 1688. So now I'm going to show you how to make all this possible step by step. It is the website of 1688.com, and we can see from this website it is all written in Chinese. And I'm going to translate the page, the whole website. So you need to type in Google Translate Chrome extension and Google it first. And click right here. And hit the Add button, add to Chrome. And there is a little button which looks like a puzzle, and you can ping this Google Translate so it stays up to the it stays up here on the right, top right. And now we come back to the 1688 and refresh the page and see what happens. And we can click Always Translate Chinese. Now the whole website is translated into English. However, there are still some Chinese characters, but don't worry, the majority is translated and some words may look a little funny, but it is okay and you can still navigate with decent and accurate words. And there are 2 ways to find the products. You can search by photos and images. There's a little camera icon here, and click and upload the photo of the product. I can show you for for example. Let's take this one, folding bucket, for example, and see there are some results come out. The folding bucket, but also there's some gift bags. And I have to tell you that it is the least effective method because it is based on the shape of the photo and the design of the photos. So you are very, very limited to that if you do that. Plus, you can't even use this option if you don't have a 1688 account. So let's move on to option 2, keywords. You can type, let's first try with English keywords. Type in folding bucket. And let's see. Okay, there are some results come out, and we can see there are a total of 27 related products. That's not much, because normally there will be thousands or 10,000s of results. And as I have mentioned, it is for Chinese retailers and wholesalers, so we are doing in Chinese. Let's change keywords to Chinese characters. We use Google Translation. And copy the Chinese character, paste it here, as such. And now let's see how many results we get. There are total of 113,396 related products. That's more. There are more options you can pick from, rather than you search by the images. And how are we going to find the best suppliers and quality products? Here's a tip for you. You can see from this section and find the second one, turnover. Click here. And the best sellers will be on the top. The results will be sorted. The results will be sorted by transaction amount. Normally, the more transaction amount is more reliable to choose from. And there are several aspects to best suppliers. I will show you in following. Let's click here. See from this one. Here we come to the product detail page. And here's the prices. And those are the variants, different prices due to different variants. And also here, those are the available quantities. And we need to check the supplier, if it's qualified. So we need to check the company file here. And click enter the yellow page to see more details. There are different aspects we can vet suppliers. The first one is the established time. Because scams don't last long and they are not patient and don't like the long road. So these companies that continues to endure and keep going for a long period of time, at least 3 years. And the ones just grab the opportunity and disappear, those are scams. So the established time is very important to evaluate. And we can see from this page that this company is established in 2018. So it's already 3 years. And we also need to check the size of the building and the employee counts. Like there are 51 to 100 people. Because with like 7 to 8 employees, they might not the manufacturer, but more like trading company. Keep in mind that factories need room, and they cannot produce products at massive volume. The whole reason we come to 1688 is to find the direct factories and to avoid middlemen to get better prices. So it's better to find factories with more than 50 employees, but do not over 500. Because if you deal with very large company, they tend to be less flexible, and they normally ask for super high minimum order quantity. So here we can see the plant area. The size of this company is about 2,000 square meters. It looks good. So we can see that this company is quite reliable. And also we can filter manufacturers by location if you know industrial distribution in China. For example, if you are looking for clothing, Guangzhou and Hangzhou should be your first choice. And for electronic products, most manufacturers are located in Shenzhen. And now we can, after we see this, the company file, and we can also, we need to contact the supplier to know more, to get more infos you want to know. Let's come back to the product detail page. And please note that the prices on the page is not exact. In fact, most of the time they are going to give you a little bit of a lower price than the prices on the page if you order larger quantity. So it is essential to talk to the supplier about the real prices and the info you want to know. So how we can contact the supplier, and you can see here there's a little blue bouncing raindrop. It is called Ali. Click this icon and make sure you have already installed the Ali, so you can talk to the supplier. And here's the conversation box come up. However, you need to send in Chinese by using Google Translation. And there's another way we can contact the supplier. You can see from the page here, there is contact number. We can open the WeChat and search the supplier there to add him. 557708 and search. Okay, we can find this supplier. Ready? Shows up, and you can just add him. And he accepted the friend request. You can contact the supplier. And WeChat has an amazing function of translating the conversation directly. And you send them in English, and they take their finger and push down on their message. And it says you can translate it to Chinese. If they send in Chinese, you can do the same thing. So that's pretty convenient, and you can send the needs to the supplier. If you find help in this video, would you do me a favor, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will keep delivering on it. In next video, I'm going to tell you how to place orders on 1688.com and pay the suppliers. And if you have any questions I haven't answered yet, you can write them down in the comments below or join our Facebook group and contact us there. What we DailyFulfill provide is one-on-one VIP service for each professional dropshippers. DailyFulfill is a solid support, and you just focus on what matters. We make your business easy and scale together. I appreciate your time, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.